This is a knock sensor, is a type of vibration sensor that detects mechanical shocks or knocks. It is based on the piezoelectric effect, where mechanical stress generates an electrical signal. The piezo knock sensors are widely used in various applications due to their sensitivity to vibrations and mechanical impacts. It is used across various fields, including security systems, the automotive industry, musical instruments, industrial and structural monitoring, and consumer electronics. The magic of this sensor lies in the piezoelectric effect. When materials like quartz or ceramic undergo mechanical stress, such as pressure, vibration, or impact, they generate an electric charge. This happens because the deformation of their crystal structure creates an imbalance in electric charges, leading to voltage generation. Now let's put this to the test by measuring the sensor's voltage output with a multimeter while applying pressure to it. We can observe that applying pressure generates varying voltage levels. Now let's explore how this sensor can be integrated into our projects. By using a microcontroller and some coding, we can measure the voltage generated based on the applied force. This opens up possibilities for various innovative projects. For this demonstration, let's connect an LED to the Arduino and program it to turn off when force is applied to the sensor. To achieve this, simply define the LED pin, set it as an output, and read the sensor value. If the value falls below the threshold, turn the LED off. And this is how a knock sensor works. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.